So before we launch into the Amazon Basin unit, we should have a look at the focusing questions that come from the NCEA Achievement Standard. And of course, being geography, there are questions about the natural landscape and what the environment is like, and there's also questions about how people interact with it. So the 5 focusing questions for the unit are, number 1, what are the characteristics of the Amazon Basin? So this is asking us to find out what the environment is like there, what the vegetation, the climate is like, what's the shape of the land, and we'll find out a little bit about soil as well. Focusing question number 2 is, once we know those characteristics, they want us to find out how the elements and characteristics interact in the Amazon Basin, how things affect each other in the natural environment. Focusing question number 3, how is the Amazon Basin formed and how does it change over time? And the Amazon Basin has got some really cool natural cycles going, so it doesn't change that much without the impact of people. But of course, at some stage, it had to be formed by earth-building processes, climatic processes, and some of the other processes we're going to find out about. In question number 4, we're going to look at how people interact with the Amazon Basin. And there's several groups that use the Amazon Basin in different ways. We'll look at some indigenous groups, some traditional uses, but also some modern uses as well. And question number 5, how have people's perceptions of the Amazon Basin changed over time? So we're going to pick one particular group and have a look in detail at how their approach to the Amazon Basin has changed from how it was in the past. So those are our 5 questions that build up the unit, and of course we'll be going through them one by one.